the weekend. What's your sister doing? Is she playing in the yard? Is she sleeping in her room? No, she isn't. She's riding her bicycle, she's whistling this tune.